folks, I have a tenor to show you today. This is for a local, this is for a friend of ours, and it's really turned out nice. I like the overall color scheme and just the sound and feel of it. So to begin with, it's got a Bearclaw spruce top, really nice figure in it. And the back and sides are some local maple. This is from our other friend's property. This was a tree that had to come down, and we harvested some of it from the firewood pile, and it's got some curl in it. It's got like every color, and it's got all these spalted areas in it. It looks really cool. Some spalting in the sides there. And then our friend, she gave us a piece of redwood that came from her dad's property, and she was hoping to incorporate it into the instrument, but it was too crumbled and rotten to use for the top, so I sliced it up and used it to make the end graft, which I thought turned out nice, and then I copied that there on the heel cap. So this is a salvage mahogany neck, and then the rest of the instrument is pistachio. That's from California. So it's all West Coast American wood. And then the binding is just more pistachio, and I put a tiny little maple line in it. There's a little maple line like under everything on the uke, which I think looks really cool. Very small and subtle, hard to see, but I think it's a good detail. Yeah, and spruce and maple is just always a great combination. Yeah, so this is number 984. I'm really proud of it. I can't wait to get it to Aaron. Cheers.